Hey, what's going on, Influx investors? This is your man Casino Dave here with another edition of Casino Dave's Weekly Bets. Had to pull up a seat for this week's episode because you might want to pull up a seat too, okay? I got two stocks that I'm bringing to the table for you. First one is going to be Sony. It's a no-brainer. PlayStation 5 is going to be coming out pretty soon, November. They're doing pre-orders starting next week. It's hard to get a pre-order, man. I'm trying to get one, you know? I be playing games, but I want to get that, and it's super hard to get a hold of. I already know they're going to be sold out of pre-orders immediately. Right now, the stock, looking at the chart, it literally just crept back into a mid-range on the RSI on the daily. So I think we have potential to see, we could be at the bottom of a pullback. So the second stock I want to talk about is Nvidia. They're going to be revealing their brand new line of graphics cards, and they're going to be about $1,500 each. These things are going to be selling like hotcakes to crypto miners, especially after the news today that Warren Buffett is super interested in crypto. It's pretty perfect timing, man, because they just have these mining farms where what they do is they purchase a bunch of these graphics cards and then they set them all up and they make these little computers that mine crypto for them. And you could look it up on Google. I'm not here to explain how crypto mining works, but I think that Nvidia is going to be selling out of these cards all over, just like PlayStation. We've been seeing a ramp up with Nvidia. I said, what did I say? I said Nvidia 400 or I'm smoking my socks. I believe I said that like a month and a half ago, and everybody looked at me like I was crazy. And right now they're rallying up, and we're about to see a big spike once we see some big news, I think, personally. Now, I'm going to get to the charts and show you guys what I see on there, and then, you can take it for what it is. I hope everything works out for you guys this week. Thank you for tuning in to Weekly Bets, and, stay gambling, baby.
Okay, so we're gonna start here with Sony. Looking on the daily chart. Now, basically, like you can see, Sony has been in an uptrend since the COVID correction, and basically, like this thing's been rocking, but all of a sudden, it's like having this big pullback. Now, I mean, we had a couple pullbacks, like here, and then also here. You can see these pullbacks pretty much. So we have one, two, three, and super little one right here, and then it went down, went back up, and then we're in like a big, a big pullback, maybe around the length of this. I mean, look how long this one lasted, range period. We went from June 10th to July 7th, so that's a couple weeks. So right here, we're going from August 5th to September 2nd. So this thing's got to give. So I'm going to take a closer look at it. And mind you that they have not announced the date of which they're going to be releasing those pre-orders. So it could be at any one of these times. And I'm going to set targets of indications of it breaking higher. Maybe at, let's see. So right now we're at 79.54. I'll probably say 81.20 in this area right here. And then on the downside, because I like to play both sides with any position, because you never know. I mean, they could tank, something crazy could happen. But indications of going lower, deeper into a pullback, maybe around here, 79.52. That gives us room on the top and on the bottom.
So I realized shortly after recording Weekly Bets on the Nvidia chart that basically the event happened yesterday, and they announced those new cards, and they're looking pretty sweet. They're sitting at about $700 to $1,400, and people, like I said, people are probably going to want to buy them like hotcakes. Looking at RSI on the daily, we see momentum building, building, building. Bam! Right after that event, we had a massive jump yesterday. And then, just look at this crazy uptrend. It's a promising stock. It's been jumping up. I've been saying for a long time that they're going to be bullish. Basically, I'm going to take a zoom in to the 30-minute, and we see,
what this uptrend kind of looks like. Right now we're at the top of our channel, maybe breaking through. We might find some support above here. But if we don't find support above there, I'm going to be looking for a pullback before I make entry. I never like to enter at the top. Um, but it really just depends on how the momentum's going. If you look at RSI right now, it's got a lot of momentum. It's potentially maybe not going to continue to go up because if you see every time it goes over, it drops back down. So it goes up and then it slows down. It's going to go up and slow down. It had a rapid growth within the last week. I guess a lot of people were ready for this positioning, and I think that it's going to continue to be bullish moving forward. But definitely expect maybe a slowdown period after this event that just happened. So yeah, keep an eye on this one. This is definitely a mover. I mean, if you look at it in the last month, we've gone from $430 to 572. That's pretty badass.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this week's episode of Casino Dave's Weekly Bets was very helpful. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment in the bottom. Make sure to check out influxunlimited.com. Make sure to check out at Casino Dave and at influx.unlimited. Thank you so much and have a great day.
This is Weekly Bets. This is Weekly Bets. Thank you for watching. This is Weekly Bets. This is Weekly Bets. I got a trade plan, risk management, stacking on my dough, getting rich. This is Weekly Bets. I'm buying chips. This is Weekly Bets. I'm buying calls, buying puts. I'm buying all sorts of things. Opening positions all day. Buying all these stocks all day. Weekly Bets. I'm stacking bread to the face. I'm stacking bread to the face. Weekly Bets. Got money if I ever catch a case. But I don't, cause I own all of these assets in this beat. Weekly Bets. Thanks for tuning in. I did everything. I said thanks for tuning in. I wrote the script and I recorded the episode. I even made this song too. I did the background. Yeah, I licensed that so they can't sue me or take my video down. Weekly Bets. Thank you for tuning in. Weekly Bets. You know I'm got a grin on my face, cause I'm all rich now from trading on these stonks. I'm all rich. Stonks only go up. And if you a bear, it ain't your time, cause I'm all bullish on this beat. I'm all bullish on this beat. I'm all bullish on this beat. Buying puts. Nope. Only calls, see?